Hello viewers, today we're going to show to you the how to going to measure voltage using a multimeter. So this one I will going to show to you how to use the multimeter to measure the voltage power supply on EC, alternating current. So guys, this one is about electricity. So in order for you to measure the voltage, in case you are doing in the electricity, that you need to measure if there's a voltage. So you need to use a measuring device like a multimeter to measure the power supply of the any outlet or a device. So this one, we have a multimeter that we can use for measuring the power supply. As you can see, we have this now is currently is in off, and this is the terminal for the voltage. Here is voltage. See, this is our voltage, and this is the another line of the voltage. So we have two terminals that we can connect for measuring the voltage of power supply. So here we have all the now is in off positions. You can see this sine wave is a voltage for AC, and this one for DC. This for the ohms, capacitor, and this is a hertz, microamp, milliamp, and ampere. But this one we need to select the voltage AC. This is like a sine wave here. So this is the one that we need to select to measure the voltage. As I said, this is the terminal for the voltage, as you can see here, and this for the another line of voltage. So here, these two terminals, we can measure the voltage of alternating current. This like if you're going to measure any outlet in your house or any other power source that you're going to measure, or like in the breaker, or maybe on the any outlet that you can measure at 220 volts AC. So but measuring 220 volts AC is you need to be careful, because there is a power supply that can electrocute you. Electricity is dangerous if you touch, especially if the one side of your one side is you already touched, and then you are in the ground. You have a possible of electrocutions. So in order to not to electrocute, make sure that don't touch any of the live terminals, and everything have isolated like this one. So it's isolated, and then don't touch this open metal here. Same with the other side. So okay, now we are going to connect this power supply. One of the here, you need to connect here, the red one, and this one for the black one. This is for the voltage, as you can see here. So this one is for the voltage, and the other side is milliamp, and this is the ampere. So but this one I'm not going to use. We are using the voltage here. And then the selector, the selector, we need to select it to the voltage alternating current. So be careful not to put it to any other here, because the fuse will be damaged inside the multimeter. But in case you made mistake, you just change the fuse inside the multimeter and replace it. But in order not to damage the fuse, you need to put it to correct selections here in the voltage. This is the voltage here. It's alternating current. Okay, so now I'm going to show to you how to measure the 220 volts using this multimeter. You can just point out this one, and I'm going to show the this one, the outlet here. This is the outlet. Okay, so this outlet, I'm going to show to you how to measure to this outlet. Okay, I need to transfer it to this one. Okay guys, this one we need to see how to make sure that the power supply need to be connected to the power source. Okay, and here you can see this is the terminal. This terminal, we have the line 1, line 2, and this is the ground. So now currently is off. So when you on this one, you can see the light is on. Okay, now it's off. So now as you can see, our multimeter is, we already changed it to voltage. This one now is off, this is on. Okay, so this one, make sure that you don't touch any of this metal, so that you will not be electrocuted. But you know, even you touch this one with the power supply, unless you don't touch the ground and you are not wet, you will not be electrocuted. So but try not to touch any one of these metal. So now what we can do, we can measure. Now the reading is 0 volts. So as you can see here, okay, I'm going to adjust this one. So now is 0 reading. Now we are in selections of voltage AC. So yeah, you can see. So now this two LED, you can just connect direct, go to the two terminal here. This is the line 1, line 2. So or like a neutral and live here. So you can just put this things here. Okay, then put another terminal here and measure. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a voltage. Okay, now is 244 volts AC. So now you can see here the two terminal is connected here. Okay. So be careful not to touch any of your body in any of this terminal, so that you will not electrocuted. And then as you can see, the voltage is still here. So if I'm going to off the terminal, yeah, okay, you can see that no more voltage. So I'm going to on again to check the voltage. Yeah, this one have a voltage, as you can see, 244 volts. So the volts, the unit is here, voltage, and this one is in auto, so we will measure automatically how much is the voltage alternating current. So this is the one how you're going to use multimeter to check the voltage of any outlet or any breaker, that in order to make sure that there's a voltage. So you can use any multimeter that have a voltage selections or alternating current, that you can measure the voltage of power supply. So guys, I'm going to open it. So yeah, so thank you for watching of my video. Hopefully you learned something, and see you on the all other technical video that I'm going to show to you. Bye.